In this video, I wanted to show you real quick how to reset the service interval or the oil change indicator on a 2021 Hyundai Sonata. It's a pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. On the right-hand side of the screen, you're going to press this button right here that navigates between the different menus. You'll notice up on the dash, as we do that, we're going to get to one that says User Settings. From the User Settings menu, we're going to press the down button several times until you get to Service Interval. Once you get to Service Interval, you're going to press down on the OK button. And then to reset the service interval, you're going to go down to Reset, and then again, press on the OK button. It's then going to ask you if you want to reset the time and distance. To do that, you're just going to press the OK button, which I won't do now. And all of that will just reset the service interval. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.